Hey folks, I know a lot of you have been asking about this zip cut thing, so I figured I'd do a little video just showing how I reuse these smaller cutoff wheels. So some people wanted to see, I said I made an adapter. If you come here, I'll kind of show it
I
to you.
will come closer.
Then what I did is I used a lathe and I just took a piece of brass and made this tool. I kind of lost the top, but I just use a washer. And then you can kind of reuse these small little zip cuts up, the pieces. If you don't have a lathe, I was just looking at it, and I'm pretty sure a feller can make this quite easily. Like if you get the right washer, we can make one really quick here. I'll just put this together.
This is Brent's master class.
But you won't need any special, real special tools to do it. I do need some air. This. All we got to do is downsize a washer so it'll fit in the middle and that'll keep it centered. So we just I don't throw sparks. Oh wow, look at that. First shot.
Like I
Mint.
said, master class.
So what we'll do now, so all we're going to use is just a couple washers. So we'll use that. We will use, how did I do this? I think I needed 2 washers.
I wonder if I should come on the other side.
Oh, you know what? I need one more washer. Be right back.
Okay. We will talk to Pablo in the meantime. How's it going, Pablo? Are you having a good day? And we're back.
So now if we go with our newly made washer, we put all of our pieces together. We're gonna have a washer on top. We'll do the smaller washer because it actually fits the center of this thing. This is the actual nut that belongs on here, by the way. We'll put this down. We just need something to hold the works on the bottom. Oh. Is this a failed attempt? Maybe this doesn't work the way I thought. The washer is too thick. That's kind of lame. The idea was right. It's just not quite thick enough. I was trying to figure out a way the feller could do it without a lathe, but I guess you need one. Well, that's a bummer. I mean, I guess you can grind this flat. That would work.
How much would you have to flatten it?
Not very much. See what I can do without zinging my finger. I'll get a little warm quick.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter that it's really thin or wobbly, it's just to keep the disc centered. I don't know how well this demonstration's working out.
We'll just keep going.
Yeah. See? Damn. Well, this is a good video. Well, I guess this is how things go, right? Things just never work out right. It's kind of annoying.
Pablo.
Kind of the norm. You just keep trying until things work. But you can make one of these with basic tools.
Yeah, cover your eyes.
The easier way is just to get a lathe, but not everybody has a lathe. we got to get creative. Had I planned this out better, I would have had this all prepped better for everybody.
Done already? Oh, hi, Pablo. Okay.
Our disc.
I'm multitasking right now.
And
Giving Pablo a scratch and filming you.
that'd be enough. Yeah. I mean, the washers don't have to be centered because that doesn't really matter, but well, it might throw you off a bit. I don't have the proper top. If I actually had the right top, it would be fine, actually, now that I think about it.
You have?
I don't know. Like, this is the problem I have. I lost that a long time ago, so I...
Oh, jeez.
Let's see. I have multiple bits, but I don't know if I have that. Oh, here. Look at that.
Hey, things are working out.
Maybe with the right part. Oh, no, you wouldn't be able to. Because it's just made for the little... I'm sorry, bud. Well, I don't know. Like, it does work. Okay, it will. It does what it needs to do.
Pablo doesn't like that.
No. He's used to my shenanigans already, but... So anyways, that's basically it. The problem is my washer, I guess if you get a thinner washer, you'd be fine. I'm just using junk I had off the shelf. But that's... Mine has a bigger end, so I noticed this one is different. So I guess it depends on what you got. This is what mine is, but anyways, if you really have a lathe or something, this is all I did was just simply made this to attach this, like this sat in there. It's just recessed enough. I don't know if you can see that.
I think so.
When I put a washer on top of it, it just
Okay.
sandwiches it and holds it in place. My other one works okay as well. Oops.
Pablo's pushing me right now.
Hey,
Hey, hey, hey.
on. You can do it. Stop being a bully there, Pablo. Leave everybody alone.
Okay, now he's sitting nice.
So that's my tool.
Neat.
So maybe you learned something. Maybe you think that's dumb. I don't know, but I'm using plenty of my old cut discs. I haven't bought one of these in a long time, or you know, the little discs. Anyways, hopefully you find that useful. We'll catch you on the next one, I guess. Anyways, the little tech tip.